Hello, this is Joan of Art and we're doing spelunking today. What's that? It's cave trekking and also doing it in the underground river here in Sagada.
As you can, so you can pass by Baguio.
There's another burial ground up there. So it's a cave. How did they climb up there, bringing their dead and put them up there?
Scaffolding or the temporary ladder, wooden ladder.
Wooden ladder.
They
But
pay,
how high?
And then we
they
have
pay
the ropes.
400 pesos for the rock climber.
So this is the coffee plantation right under this big rock. Yeah. That's where the mouth of the cave is. This is gonna be wet and rocky. That's the cave entrance. So we are now at the mouth of the cave and it's going to be a 10 to 15 minute trek in there. It's gonna be dark. We'll be using our flashlights. We're finally out of the entrance and that didn't feel like 10 minutes. I should say it's only a 5-minute trek. There's a rock formation inside that's the shape of a giant jellyfish. And this is now the exit. So we're going out and we're going to do the riverbank trail to the waterfalls. Finally, we're here now at Bokong Falls. Some people are so eager to jump, not me, but we'll try dipping in the water. It's a nice pool. That flat rock formation is natural. They're actually twin falls. One is bigger than the other, and you can jump into the pool because it's 7 to 8 feet deep. We have a very nervous tourist here. He's been there for so long. It's taking him so long to jump and he's backing out. Okay, Ken is gonna do it. Alright, Ken. You're so experienced in this kind of thing. Alright! He's done it! Your turn! This guy is taking quite some time to jump. Ken has already overtaken him. He did jump before, now he's again dealing with his fears. Well, I do understand that because I wouldn't jump. It's 8 feet deep. I'd rather stay here on the flat rock. I'm good with it. Alright, amazing. Okay, he's done the sampling. 360-degree view of this place. Stop down the bad guy. He's motivating him to jump. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, you guys. You can do it. Come on. Wow! Yes! Woohoo! Still he's up there. There are also picnickers behind me. So they're here to just enjoy the view. This is what's on top of Bokong Falls. We had a great time interacting with our Muslim friends here. They came from Egypt, Sudan, and Turkey. They're studying engineering here in the Philippines. They went ahead of us, and as they left, they made a peace sign. So that's very touching because that's what we all should be, regardless of our religion, our beliefs. We are here to make peace with everyone. And Joan of Art here at Bokong Falls. Until our next video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.